Well, look what I've done. Got another £30 bargain. Doesn't need as much though. Needn't do to it anyway. Battery. I need a hot wire it as well. Don't know what I'm doing with a hot wire, but I've got sort of an inkling. And that's about it. I unsort that squeak out because that's not good. We don't want a squeaky quad. I'll show you around. Battery placement. A little bit rusty. That's an out. Broken ignition. Gonna be hot wiring that. Well, try to anyway. Probably a big fail, but we'll see. What I've had to do is get some new batteries. They're the old ones, kaput. Probably 4 or 5 years old. However, brand new ones, made in China. So we'll get these fitted. That should just be plug and play. So, I've connected them, red and black. There's a green and a black and white. I'm assuming them some sort of earth. I don't really know what I'm going to do with that. So, oh, we have a bit of life. Nothing. Whee! That wasn't much to do for hot wiring it, was it? What we do need to do next though. Flatty. It's got a flatty. Puncher done. Solid. However, has been stored outside, so there's water everywhere. That's probably why it's rusty. Bad. So the next clip I'm going to show you is showing the boy how to ride the quad. But guess what happens? Good old whiskey throttle. Enjoy. Good old dint and that in there. Wife isn't going to be happy. No, no, no. So the next bit is just the kids enjoying it now. There was 3 settings on it. There was a key at the back, slow, medium and fast. It was on medium, so I put it to slow. Time will only tell when they're ready for the fast mode.
Found no quad buried in the shed. Battered and broken, looked almost dead. Kids stood smiling, eyes shining bright. Dad, can you fix it? Can we ride tonight?